Yeah, so right here. So I don't do this often. I like to read the play. I've always considered myself one of the better breakaway goalies to come around. I've always loved penalty shots, always loved shootouts, always loved when guys are coming in on, one on those. So right here, I'm, good depth in my crease, challenging. Obviously, you're always taught as a goalie, challenge, match your speed. So when I've done this at a young age, and a lot of goalies don't do this anymore, but I feel I was taught. Rob Tallis told me this a long time ago. I don't know if he still believes in it, but I still love doing it. The guy's coming in wide like this on an angle, and I'll never do this when a guy's coming in straight on. And you can just forward it just a little bit. So right here, I'm already making my move, and by the time he touches the puck at the top of the circle, I know what I'm going to do here. I know what's going to happen. So I've always been taught when the guy's coming in wide like this. Now I don't do this often, like I said. A good play is throw your stick out, which I do right here, and two pads stack the one way. I kind of muff the two pad stack a little bit, but by throwing your stick out like this, it's blocking him from going that way, and the two pad stack is cutting off that one side. Now it's kind of an old school play, and I've always considered myself unorthodox, which I love. Thankfully here he tries to cut, which played right into my trap, hits my stick, and then boom, scramble mode, see the puck's in the corner, boom, get up, beautiful save by me, and see you later. But I've never done that move going in straight on. It's always been when they come in off the angle. You could do it on the other side too, but it's more comfortable doing it on this side. The reason I flopped my glove back like that, and you could rewind it, the reason is because at the rare chance he gets that puck over my stick and somehow does that, and then I have to somehow pray that I can get a glove on it or something like that. But realistically, if you could rewind a little bit, I'd love to boom, the stick's right there. When I pop my stick out, I'd love to have my two pad stack more clear, that bottom pad's flat. I'd love to have it more clear up. But then again, we'll take the save. We'll take the highlight reel save with the poke check, old Dominic Hasek style. So
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war!